Holy.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, The Chef with a Beard. This is Curtis speaking. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how simple it is to just cook up a nice simple pasta dish. I'm going to take the time to show you how to do step by step. It's going to be nothing crazy, something you can easily make at home. I'd like to be able to hear some feedback from some people. If there's anything you'd like me to show you, I'm down for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you really enjoy what you're watching, keep tuning in. There's going to be a lot more videos coming out shortly. So cheers guys.
So we're going to start by taking the sausage, cutting open the center of it, and removing the meat from the casing. After that, we're just going to set it aside. Next, we're going to get the pan onto a medium-high heat, add olive oil, and once the pan's heated up enough and you hear the sizzling sound, that means it's a perfect time to drop the meat in. As the meat's cooking, now we're going to continue to just kind of break it up in the pan and just allow it to continue to cook. Now once the juices start to run clear, we're going to lift the pan off the heat and we're going to set aside the meat with its juices. Next we're going to just thinly slice the garlic and we're going to add it back into the pan at a very low heat. Now we're just going to season our pasta water. Just make sure guys that water's come to a full boil. Add in your pasta noodles. I feel it's important that you just kind of lightly stir your pasta noodles just so they avoid burning on the sides of the pan. And at this stage guys, it's going to take roughly about 8 minutes to finish this dish. In the meantime, just casually keep stirring the pasta around, keeping an eye on it. After about 6 to 8 minutes, the pasta should be considered al dente, and the rest of the stuff in the pan should be finishing up around the same time. At this stage, you're also going to add in your chili flakes and your thyme. Keep in mind it's very important at this stage that the pan is on lower heat, and keep cooking the garlic till it's golden brown. Then you're going to add in your oyster mushrooms and let them slowly cook down. Just do a rough kind of peel into the pan to slowly sweat them off. While all these ingredients are sweating away in the pan, we're just going to quickly prep and have our cherry tomatoes set aside and ready to go right into the pan. So with the tomatoes guys, we're just going to slowly kind of allow them to kind of blister away in the pan a little bit. Now at this stage, you can just either toss or stir, and we're just going to add our little final seasoning of salt and pepper. So next step, we're just going to grab a cup of the pasta water and just set aside. Drain your pasta and then start to add the pasta noodles into the pan and re-add the pasta water in the pan as well. Afterwards, we're going to roughly chop up some cilantro and add this into the pan as well now. Give it a light stir, mix all your ingredients up, give it a light toss, and add the sausage back into the pan, and just continue to just mix up until it's properly mixed up and all that kind of stuff. Now we're going to take the pasta over to our plating station, and we're just going to turn the tongs clockwise and just gradually add all your ingredients in there. It's okay if it's a little bit rough looking, rustic. Kind of makes it look good anyways. I'm just going to add a little bit of extra rough chopped cilantro just as garnish. This is just optional guys, it just adds a little extra color to the plate. Now you're going to grab a lemon wedge and you're just going to lightly zest it. Key important note here though guys, is just to make sure that you don't get it right into the white pulp, as that part is bitter. Next I'm going to cut the lemon in half and squeeze it right above the pasta itself. This just really just brings out that zip in the dish, just really enhances the flavors. It's not necessary, but for me, I personally like it, and I just think it completes the dish.
Thank you for checking in on the channel today. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, enjoy.